Yo, what is up guys? My name is Jeremy, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make money during quarantine, and I'm gonna list you guys 5 easy and legitimate ways that I've been doing to make money during quarantine, and I'm gonna show you guys proof as well. Now, hopefully you guys stick around to the very end, because just because you know the first method I'm gonna give you guys, you may not know the third and fourth method, and I'm just here to help you guys out, make a couple extra bucks during quarantine for, you know, snacks or going out. Now, all the links that I'm gonna be talking about in this video will be provided down below in the description as well. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the list. So the first thing that I'm gonna be talking about is Fiverr. And Fiverr is definitely one of my favorite ways to earn money quick, and especially during this quarantine and the pandemic, where you could be basically making money at home. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's basically a website to buy and sell your services, whether it's graphic design, acting, voiceovers, you know, video editing. And you may be wondering, oh, what if I don't have any of these skill sets? Or what if I don't have the software to, you know, edit videos or edit pictures, right? Well, thankfully there are free resources out there like YouTube tutorials. And not only that, but there are free software that I've been using to edit my videos and also edit pictures. So you don't have to go for the expensive, you know, Photoshop, Premiere or whatever. So I'll be showing you guys some screenshots over here of how much I've been making and how much I've gotten so far. Now, as far as the money I've made around $55 these past 2 months. But keep in mind that these $55 is basically just me doing 10 minutes or 15 minutes of really easy and mindless work. So I wouldn't really be complaining. You know, $55 in the bank is $55, and that's, you know, equivalent to like 11 boba drinks, right? All right, the second way to make money during quarantine is gonna be answering questions and surveys. And let's be honest, who doesn't wanna get paid by just answering simple questions, you know what I'm saying? So these are gonna be the apps that I've been using this whole time, and they've paid me around $30 so far, which is not bad in the span of like 3 months. Now I know that's like $10 a month, but then again, it is free money basically for just answering different questions. Now, if you turn on your location, if you've been, you know, shopping at Walmart or Target, or you got food at Panda Express, for example, the app will pick it up and ask you questions regarding your experience, whether, you know, the food tasted good or the shopping experience was great, the customer service was great. And you just answer correspondingly for about 10 to 15 minutes basically. And you know, you get free money from $1 ranging up to $4. And even if you don't qualify for a survey, you get credited around 10 or like 5 cents or something. Now, the third way to get money is gonna be through Instacart. If you don't know what Instacart is, it's basically a grocery delivery service. So you basically go to a grocery store of, you know, wherever the person wants to shop at. So basically Ralph's or, you know, Kroger's or Rite Aid, CVS, Target, basically anywhere. And then the app will tell you what the customer wants. And then all you gotta do is go there, drive, and then pick out the items. And what's convenient is that the app actually tells you where the items are at, or, you know, what kind of category the item's located in. So you basically just go there, grab it, scan the barcode, and grab the correct amount of items and just go and check out. The app basically gives you your own little credit card, so you know, you pay with that, and all you gotta do is navigate to the customer's house and get paid. And to be completely honest with you, it's super easy. And if you have really nothing to do and you have a driver's license and you're bored, stuck at home, you know, call up a friend or call up your girlfriend or boyfriend and go on a grocery run and get paid. It's basically a win-win situation, since now you have something to do and you're getting money along with it. So why not try out Instacart? I'm gonna have a referral link down below in the description, so go ahead and use my referral link, and then we both could be making some money out of it, I'm pretty sure. Method number 4 is basically selling your unused items. Now, if you guys don't know, in my recent video, I just told you guys that I bought a new laptop recently for my schoolwork. But before I had that laptop, I actually had a Chromebook laying around that I had no use, and it's just kind of slow. So what I did is I basically just listed it on the Facebook marketplace, and I was planning to sell it for $75. So basically I listed it for $130. It's kind of double the amount. It's pretty ridiculous, but honestly, there's a lot of demand for Chromebooks during the time. And you know, I've never really sold my you know, personal items or, you know, my used items before. But now that I tried it out, people were actually hitting me up left and right and shooting me different offers. And this is super useful because if you have just old things laying around, like an old instrument, an old laptop, an old device, or, you know, just something random like books or flower pots, right? You can go online, go to Craigslist, go to Facebook Marketplace, or just different buy and sell apps that you could find on the App Store, and list it out and then just sell it to them and, you know, deliver it to them or have them pick it up at a public place. All right, method number 5 is gonna be probably the highest income that you're probably gonna make, and it's gonna be to help out local businesses. What you can basically do is research small businesses, you know, go on Yelp or go on Google and look for your small businesses, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's a dentistry, whether it's a boba place or a drinks place, whatever it is, right? And you just want to hit them up and just be like, hey, do you guys need any help? And again, what you can do is, if you don't know how to video edit or photo edit, you guys can definitely learn that online from tutorials, and there are some free softwares out there. You guys can make advertisement, you guys can make brochures, you guys can make pamphlets, you guys can basically manage their Instagram page, their Facebook page, and who knows, they may not have a social media manager or a video editor or a photo editor that they're actually looking for. Again, Yelp is a great way to get in contact with business owners near you, or just, you know, do a quick Google search and a bunch of them will actually pop out. Now, in my experience, I am currently helping a friend of mine who is running her sticker business online, and she's basically paying me a good amount of $200 monthly for just running her Facebook ads, creating her Facebook ads, and managing them and making sure she gets a good amount of sales with my advertisements. Now, this is a win-win situation because I have some prior experience with Facebook advertisements and she needs to drive sales. So not only am I making money from helping her get sales, but she's also getting publicity and also gets the word of mouth around regarding her shop. So definitely go look around for businesses, and I know you'll get a lot of rejections because that is for sure, but that's okay because once you find somebody that actually needs your help, you could actually be stabilizing that monthly income by helping that business, video edit or photo edit, or just run their Instagram or Facebook pages, or just customer service in general. Now, those are the 5 things that I do that make me money. And by adding up all this income right here on the screen, this is gonna be the total that I've made. I have no idea yet because I haven't calculated it, but here's the number on the screen. And that is exactly the amount of money that I've done during this quarantine without a part-time job and just, kind of freelancing and doing my own type of work. So there's all the proof that I have provided you guys, and it is a real way to make money as long as you have the time and the patience to learn new skills and try out new things and get used to and accustomed to new things. Then there is definitely potential for you guys to make money during this quarantine as well. So hopefully you guys find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like and hit the subscribe button down below. And as y'all know, I do post videos weekly. And with that being said, I wish y'all best of luck of making money, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye guys.